Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable fingerprint lock in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to security and privacy. After that scroll down a bit and then go to biometrics option and then go to fingerprints. Then you have to type your current PIN or password. Then tap on continue to add a new fingerprint. Now from here to add fingerprint, at first you have to place your finger on the fingerprint sensor and lift it up several times. So just do it. And it's done. Then just tap on done. You can see fingerprint 1 has been added successfully. Now you have to enable fingerprint unlock option. Now if I lock my device and then unlock with fingerprint, and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now if you go to same settings again, then tap on fingerprints, then type your current PIN or password. If you want to add another fingerprint, then you can easily do it from here. And using same method, you can add another fingerprint. And that is how you can enable fingerprint lock in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.